and really wanted to try to, work with families and do preventative care. That was always my goal, keeping, families together. I mean, healthy mentally and physically. And so I eventually started my own practice and in Pennsylvania. So I do have a practice there for about 15 years now, my own practice, which has been going great. But as we all know, the practice of primary care and internal medicine and pediatrics, it's not really as preventative as I really would have liked. And then when I came across the field of lifestyle medicine, it was exactly what I wanted, what my goal was, and trying to really prevent, reverse, and treat chronic illnesses and not just throw another pill for every complaint. So.
Talk a little bit more about all the most important lifestyle pillar. Of course, all of them are important, but without giving away your chapter, we want people to read your amazing chapter.
Absolutely. I mean, it was so eye-opening to learn, the medicine and the science behind lifestyle medicine. And some of it was intuitive exercise. We all know that we need to exercise and sleep. For me, those were pretty intuitive, dietary and nutrition changes or nutrition advice changes greatly amongst different organizations, and that gets super confusing. Um, Although I was vegetarian, I still could have been eating better. Definitely didn't eat enough fruits and vegetables. There was a lot of carb and a lot of and I did eat processed foods and things like that. So I definitely have cleaned up my diet since and made it even better than what it was. But the good thing was I was kind of avoiding a lot of the high inflammatory foods, but I wasn't probably eating as much nutrient dense as I would have liked to. But I think, and we all know the harm of substances and substance abuse. But I think for me, the biggest surprise was the evidence behind the importance of social connections as it pertains to your physical health, so did realize that was important for happiness and for mental health, but even for your physical health, that was really eye-opening for me, and it really made me change a lot of things, either getting rid of toxic relationships or really putting more effort into the relationships that were important to me.